Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, in this occasion, I would like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill using a short story. You should listen to me carefully and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, when I tell you a short story. Besides that, you should also try to memorize and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now please listen to me carefully. John and Mary each have a pet. John has a pet dog. It is very big. Mary has a pet cat. It is very beautiful. They give them meat every day. They also give them milk to drink. But yesterday they gave them water, but they didn't like it. Do you still remember the story? Well, hopefully you can answer my questions. Now please answer my questions very well. Question number 1. Do Peter and Mary have pets? Question number 2. Does John have a pet dog? Is the dog very big? What about Mary? What kind of pet does he have? Does he have a pet cat? Is it very beautiful? And is it very fat? Do they give him meat every day? Do they also give them milk to drink? What did they give yesterday? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.